Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in Audi Q5. Tap the menu button on the MMI, select Telephone, then Bluetooth settings to start pairing. On your phone, choose Audi MMI from available devices and confirm the passkey. Allow contacts and message access when prompted to enable hands-free calling and audio streaming for a smooth driving experience. Start by turning on your phone Bluetooth and making it discoverable, then on the MMI choose Telephone and add New Device. When Audi MMI appears, tap it on your phone and verify the matching passkey shown on both displays. Accept any permission requests for contacts and messages on your phone to enable full functionality. After pairing, set the phone as primary if you want automatic reconnection each time you enter the vehicle. If pairing fails, restart both your phone and the car's MMI to clear temporary issues before trying again. Remove old paired devices from the MMI list to avoid hitting device limits, then reinitiate pairing. If problems persist, check for software updates on your phone and ask your dealer about MMI firmware updates to improve Bluetooth compatibility and reliability for a better hands-free experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.